Hello student, in this video I will solve exercise 15.1 onward question number 16. So in this question it has been said that the table below gives the data relating to the dimensions and surface areas of cuboids and cubes filled in the missing item. We have the tables, okay, length, breadth, height and surface area are given, okay, and in all four parts we have any one dimensions or any one quantity are unknowns are missing, so we have to ask to find the missing items, okay. So in first part we have length equal to 13 cm, breadth equal to 10 and height equal to 8 cm, okay. First given length equal to 13 cm, breadth equal to 10 cm, height equal to 8 cm, and we need to ask find the missing here surface area, okay. So surface area cuboid equal to surface area equal to 2 LB plus BH plus HR, okay. Now substituting all the value of the dimension, L is 30 centimeter into breadth is L is 30, breadth is 10 plus 10 into 8 plus 8 into 30. So this is 2 into product of 13 into 10, 130 plus 80 plus 104. Okay. Now adding 130, 80, 104, so we will get 340. Okay, 340. So now multiply 2 into 340, so we will get 8 centimeter square. Total surface area of the cuboid equal to 628 centimeter square. Again move to the second part, that is length equal to 15 centimeter, breadth equal to 10 and height, the column height is missing, whose total surface area is given 30 centimeter square. So we have to find the missing height, okay, height of cuboid. So surface area is given, this is 1300 centimeter square, okay, and we know the surface area of the cuboid would be equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus HR, okay. So LB is given, this is 15 into 10 centimeter, 15 centimeter into 10 centimeter plus 10 centimeter into BH, 10 centimeter into B plus into H, okay, and H into length, that is 15 centimeter, okay. So now simplify. Here 100 divided by 2, okay, 2, 6 divided by 2, 5 10, 650 centimeter square equal to 15 to 10, 150 centimeter square plus 10 H centimeter plus 15 H centimeter. So 650 minus 150 centimeter square is equal to the 10 lakh centimeter and 15 centimeters. So after adding this quantity, we will get 225. Okay, lakh centimeter. Now subtract 150 from 650, so we will get 0.04 centimeter square equal to 25 lakh centimeter. So we need to cancel 1 centimeter. Okay, and this is not 500 centimeter. And now find the value of f. So we need to divide 500 centimeter by 25. So we will get the height. Okay, height missing of the table is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay. Okay, now move to the third part. The length is given 1.5 centimeter, breadth is missing, height is 50 centimeter, and surface area is given 5.5 meter square. So surface area is given 5.5 meter square. Okay, so we know surface area is calculated by 2 LB. LB is 1.5 centimeter into breadth. Breadth is unknown. Say this is B plus B into H. That means 50 centimeter plus breadth into height into length. Okay, this is 1.5 centimeter is equal to 5.5 multiply by 100 into 100 centimeter square. Then 5.5 meter square change into centimeter square. So this is 2 into 1.5 centimeter into B and B into 50. So after adding these two quantity, we will get 51.5 centimeter plus 50 into 1.5 centimeter. So 50 centimeter into 1.5, we will get 75. Okay, centimeter square equal to 5.5 into 100 into 100 centimeter square. This is 51.5 centimeter. Okay, again divided this quantity divided by 2. So 51.5 into B centimeter plus 75 centimeter square equal to 55 by 10, and 2 is divided here into 100 into 100 centimeter square. So we can cancel 1010, and this is 2 5 10 is equal to 5 5 25 and 5 5 25 to 27 into 100 centimeter square. So 275 into 100 centimeter square, and again simplify. So 51.5 B into centimeter square equal to 27500 centimeter square minus 75 centimeter square. Now subtracting 75, so we will get 5, 9, 7, 2, 4, 2, 7. Okay, centimeter square. This is centimeter, and the value of B equal to 27425 divided by 55 centimeter. Centimeter cancel out. So we will get the value of B, but in question the answer is not matched. Third part of this question, I think the data provided by the book is incorrect. Okay, so we have to leave out this question. Okay, now move to the its fourth part. Okay, this is given only the surface area. Okay, length, breadth, height is not given, so that means the given solid is cube. Okay, so surface area, surface area is given to us. This is 600 meter square. Okay, so this means this is a cube. So we know the surface area cube is 6 into side square. 6 into side square equal to 600 meter square. So we can cancel 600 by 6. So we will get side square equal to 100 meter and side equal to square root 100 meter. Okay, this is 100 meter square, and the value of the side equal to 10 meter. So this implies the length and breadth. Okay, length, breadth and height are same. Okay, so length is 10 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter, and height is also 10 centimeter. So this is the solution of question number 16 of exercise 15.1. Now move to the question number 17. In this question it has been said that a closed box is varnished on the outside at the rate of 5 paisa per centimeter square. What is the total cost of varnishing of a box of length 50 centimeter, breadth 40 centimeter, and height 30 centimeter? Okay, so in this question we have to set a closed box is varnishes on the outside at the rate of 5 paisa per centimeter square, and the dimension of the closed box is given. Length equal to, okay, we have dimension of the box, length equal to 50 centimeter, breadth equal to 40 centimeter, height equal to 30 centimeter. Then we need to ask what is the total cost of varnishing a box. So that means to finding the cost of varnishing of a box. So first we have to calculate what is the total area of the box to have to varnish. Okay, so the total area of the box equal to 2LB plus BH plus HL. So total area of closed box equal to, this is 2 into LB means 50 centimeter into 40 centimeter plus 40 centimeter into 30 centimeter plus 30 centimeter into okay 30 centimeter into 50 centimeter. So it is 2 into 50 into 40, 20 centimeter, 200 centimeter, and okay 2000 centimeter square plus this is 1200 centimeter square plus 5 is 50 centimeter square. Now adding, so we will get the 5 to 7 and 4700 centimeter square, and after multiplication we will get 7 to the 14, so 4 to the 8, 9400 centimeter square. This is total. Okay, this is total surface area. Total surface area of the closed box. Okay, and here given the cost. Okay, the cost of per centimeter square equal to 5 paisa. Okay, given cost of varnish, varnish 1 centimeter square equal to 5 paisa. So therefore total cost of varnishing, this is varnishing 9400 centimeter square equal to 5 into 9400 paisa, and now convert in rupees. So we need to divide by 100. So this is 5 into 9400 divided by 100 rupees. Okay, we can cancel 0 and 5 into 94. So this is 5 4 20 and 470 rupees. So this is the total cost of the varnishing of a closed box from the outside at the rate of 5 paisa per centimeter square. the length, the dimension of the closed box, length 50 centimeter, breadth 40 centimeter, and height 30 centimeter. Okay. So this is the solution of the question number 70. But the answer given in book is not matched from this. This is incorrect. Okay. The answer given in book is incorrect. This is the correct answer of this question. Okay. So this is the required answer of question number